Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer your IONOS domain to your GoDaddy account. To transfer your domain to another provider, in our case it is GoDaddy, you have to do two things on your current provider. In our case it is IONOS. The first thing is you have to disable the domain transfer lock, and the other thing is you have to get the authorization code from your current provider. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, log into your IONOS account and then go to your domain and SSL. So here on this screen you will see listed all of your domains on your current provider. In my case I have one domain registered here, so I click on it and here you can see the further details related to your domain. So as we need to transfer the domain, so we have to go to renewal and transfer tab. So here on this screen, the first thing you can see that is we need to disable the domain transfer lock. So you have to click on it and then you see that your page has been refreshed. So here you can see that the domain lock is disabled. And now the second thing is we need to get the authorization code. So you can click here show authorization code, and here in this dialog box you have to tell IONOS that where you want to transfer your domain. So you can check any of the reason, or you can also write your own reason here. In my case I just select moving to another provider and then click on continue. So here it is giving you a warning before showing you authorization code, and it says all your website content, email addresses and subdomains associated to this domain on IONOS will be deleted permanently once the transfer is complete. So in my case I don't have any, so I will just proceed with the transfer. But if in your case you have any important email addresses or subdomains associated, you can move them to your new provider. So I just click on show authorization code, and then here you can see that this is my authorization code. So I copy it so that I can use on GoDaddy, and let's keep this window open if in case we need this again. So our process on IONOS is complete, and now we need to go to GoDaddy. First of all, you need to go to GoDaddy and make sure you are logged into your account. In my case I am already logged in. Then here on the top menu you can see that domains. Once you click on it, then here you see domain transfer domain names. Click on it. Here you have to give the domain name you want to transfer from IONOS. In my case it is psychopath.inyourlife.com. So click on transfer your domain. Here you can see that it is getting data from current registrar. Once it fetches the data, then you can see the details from the current provider. As we already unlocked the domain transfer, so it is checked that we don't have any lock. If you haven't unlocked it before, then it will give you an error. So first of all you have to first unlock the domain transfer, and then the second thing is we need authorization code, and this is our authorization code. You have to copy and paste here, and then click on continue. Then once you click on continue, then here on this screen you see that GoDaddy is asking you to add extra protection. If you need, then you can add, otherwise you can click on no thanks, and it will proceed to the next step. Okay, so here again it is upselling some of their products and asking to add their bundle, but we don't need it, so we click on continue without bundle. And here on this screen you have to make payment. So let's select for 1 year, and then you can see your order summary details. You can also include full protection if you need. If you don't need, then you can just click on ready for checkout, and this is your final checkout page. And here you just have to make the payment, and then your domain transfer process will begin. So if you want to add different billing information, then you can add it. Otherwise, as I already have billing info saved, so I will keep everything default, and I will come back once I make the payment. So once you will make the payment successfully, then you will land on this screen, and it says well done, time for the fun part. And here you can click on go to your main account, or you can also view the receipt. Okay, so let's go to my account. So here in my account, you will see that our domain has been listed here. You will not be able to manage it at the moment, as the transfer is in progress. To check it, you can go here in and click on domains, and here you can click on transfers. And on this page you will see that all your transfers that are currently in progress. So in my case, you can see that we have this transfer process in progress, and here at the top you can see that most registrar transfers complete within 5 to 7 days. So we have to wait for this propagation time, and once the transfer is complete, then you can manage your domain on your new registrar, and it will be fully transferred from your previous registrar. In our case it is IONOS, and to your new registrar, which is GoDaddy. Okay, so in this video, this is pretty much I hope you have learned that how you can transfer your IONOS domain to your GoDaddy registrar. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel, as I keep bringing such useful content. And I see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.